Hello precious customers and welcome to the final tutorial video on how to use Shop Matrix. In the last video we learned how to make an account, so hopefully you're now at the services page. From here you can see and control all our services, so let's look over it from top to bottom. At the top of the page you can see the number of successful and remaining advertisements. At the moment it is blank because we haven't posted any products users can click on, and a quirk of PHP which makes zeros null. Under your monthly stats there is a heading saying Edit Profile with a little arrow pointing to it. Hover over it and you'll see a link taking you to the Edit Profile page. You might notice this review form. A pro tip, if modesty is no concern, is to give yourself a max rating to get a running start. This page is actually the same page other users see when they click your company in the search area, but you alone have access to the Edit Profile form. Here you can change the title of the post, aka your company name, your thumbnail logo, aka your logo of your company, your address, so like, I don't care, click there, the URL of your web shop, but it is not necessary to write it, your email, and of course your phone number. Most importantly, it is here you set your remaining transactions, which are the number of users that can visit your page until you no longer show up in the search functionality. If you've ever bought Google or Facebook ads, the system is basically identical, but half the price, and ensures that what you pay for is actual publicity. So, like 500. A value that shines with its absence is your company's ESG score, which is set by the system admin. At the moment, we'll look for ESG scores in the MSGI search engine, but if you have one elsewhere, please email us and we'll check its validity. Most of these fields are optional if you, for example, don't have a website or a physical shop, although I highly recommend filling all the fields due to the highly improved user experience. Finally, to make your changes permanent, click the Update button on the form, and after the page finishes loading, you'll see the fruits of your label. Ta-da! But how does one post products? Well, there are two main ways. One to post a single product and one to post multiple at the same time. To post a single product, simply hover over the post product field and a form should appear. Oh yeah, this one. Write its name, like prod, a description, the price, the availability, aka how many are in stock, a quantity discount if you want that, and a discount price if you want that too. But these are not necessary. Click submit, and if we here you can delete. Oh yeah, and then the product should appear here under the search bar. Here you can delete discontinued or unwanted products by clicking the X button, and edit it by clicking the link around the product title. So actually you can now just click here, I think. Yeah. This should take you to a page where you can edit the product with a form almost identical to the form that created it. So you can see here it's title and content, which is its name and description. You can choose a image to display it, and all of this. There is, however, a way to post multiple products at the same time, but to do that you need a CSV file. To get the CSV file, however, is really simple. You can make one in Google Sheets or Excel, whichever you prefer. Simply make columns for name, description, price, availability, quantity, and discount price in that order, and write the product properties in the associated boxes, just like in this sheet I've prepared. It is very important that you write the headers and keep to the format due to the way the program reads the values. For example, the program ignores the first row where the headers are, so if you write important data there, it will be lost. Either way, every row except the first will become a product, and every column represents a specific property, so the headers are still a good idea. So the headings are still a good idea to counteract confusion. To make a CSV file, all you have to do is click File, Download, and CSV. Now, at the services page, hover over the product or post products. Choose a file, or the file rather. Open and click Upload to upload your products to the server. And ta-da! 3 new products, but you might notice a lack of images. To add images, simply go through the products and add images manually using the Update Products form shown before. So, if I want to add images to the Sarcosuchus, then choose a file. Hopefully there's something here, maybe in pictures. Oh yeah, there's the Sarcosuchus. And click Update. And ta-da! An image. And to add an image that will show up as an advertisement to make people notice if you have any offers, there's a 2 for 1. Then just open it in this and click Update. Just remember that these are 2 different forms, so don't update this one first and that one second, or vice versa. Just remember that if you click Update here, the stuff you wrote here will go away if you haven't updated it first. And that's about it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask at shopmatrix54@gmail.com or a.franson@shopmatrix.com. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.